Okay guys, in this video we will be checking out a long trading strategy which you can apply whenever you are trading any of these assets, and this will help you to know when to go into the market and make some good money for yourself whenever you want to trade, most especially if you are having a reasonable capital. Now let's see how we can go about it. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, like I said, we will be checking out how you can trade for a very long time. Um, I'm on 5 minute time frame, and I will love to take it up to 1 hour. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame, and I'm going to zoom it out a bit. Okay, so just the way we are saying this, okay, this helped us to see the market clearer, okay, and of course to have a better understanding of what the market is giving to us. So let me quickly cite a good example from here. Okay, so as we can see, this actually got to the support zone around here, which happened to be a major support zone. And since it's unable to break out from here, it gave us an uptrend signal from, around here. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame, okay? So guys, this is 1 hour time frame. This gave us an uptrend signal. And because it gave us an uptrend signal and it didn't break out below this support zone, it also gave us a buy signal around there, which means we can easily come in and buy from here. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame. So if we are buying from here, I will only advise us to set our stop loss here. Okay, that is very, very important. No matter how good you are in trading or in doing your analysis, you should always take your risk management very important. This will help you not to lose money or not to lose so much within the market. Okay, this is very, very important. You can see this is reasonable at this point. Okay, so if you are coming around here, this actually bought till it got to this region. Had a pullback, it was a major one, but didn't get back to the entry point, and it went back up again and it broke out from here. So if you had placed an order right here, this is another opportunity for you to place an extra order. Okay, so it gave us another buy signal around there. You can see you can add another order to it around there. Check it out, it went up till it got to this region. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame, which means all these candles are 1 hour candles. It means that this is going to take more than a day before you will finish trading this particular asset, if not up to a week. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. Now let's see, the same thing happened when it got to the resistance zone. You can see it right here, it has gotten to the resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there, give us a downtrend signal and the sell signal, so we can easily place our order somewhere here, a sell order somewhere here, and put our stop loss somewhere here, and check it out, it kept on selling, gave us so many sell orders around here again, so which means we can still add more orders to it if we want. We can add like 1 or 2 orders to it if we want. Okay, so check it out, it's sold till this support zone. Now it has gotten to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from there. So right now we now have it giving us an uptrend signal plus a buy order, so we can easily place our order right here and put our stop loss somewhere here, and this is trading. It has been going up since then. Even my trading bot has been trading this uptrend. You can see all the orders created by my trading bot. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. And of course, you too can also trade it manually. Okay, you can see if you have the right trading tools, you will make a lot of profits within this market. So this is going to trade, and it is most likely to have a pullback around here. You can see it is most likely to have a pullback around there because of all this ranging section. And once it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell. I mean, it's going to buy more, and we expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, so that's amazing, guys. So you guys can take advantage of this opportunity right away. Okay, so if you want to know more about this trading tool, kindly reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.